Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a toilet where the water isn't filling back up in the tank. So essentially you got your toilet here, you flush it. And then the water is not filling up your tank there. First thing you want to do is get yourself some of this waterproof grease. I'll put a link down below. This plumber's grease, it's safe on your pipes. It won't corrode anything. Next thing you want to do is take off this top here. As you see, there's no water coming in to this tank. What happens is you get a little bit of corrosion that builds up on this plunger here and in this area here. However, when you lift that up, it'll start filling again. You can also adjust the fill line on this with a screwdriver, but I've already did that and it didn't work. What did work on other times when this has happened, you just put a little plumber grease right in here to lube up this right here, and then you're going to want to put some in here as well to get these little levers kind of lubricated. Working again, you're going to want to work it up and down. Put some more on there. You can't put too much. That'll fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.